Hello everyone, chapters Agung, a strict and stern father. Mino, a mother who spoils her children too much. Fun, a chill education to gardening and athletic his study. Jarod, Ina, Nachon, fun stomachate friends. DJ Redmoti, Mino vice friends. Mrs. Ewing, a teacher who cares about your study. And I Alan Narano. Fun is sitting in his room, wearing a headset, across in online game. His school books are scattered on the desk. Outside, Agung enters angrily, while Mino stands at the doorway, trying to calm him down.
Fun! Fun!
Yes, Dad.
It's already this late. You still playing games. Why aren't you studying?
Just a moment, Dad. I am about to win.
Fun! Fun! It's about winning a lesson. Mino, when will you realize Fun keeps acting this way because you always defend him?
He is still younger. Don't pressure him too much. Fun, this is
Thank you, Ma.
If this keep up, he'll never learn responsibility. Fun, this is about being a lesson. Have you forgotten you goals at school?
Don't need to get confused. He is still some.
Mino, you keep.
The next day at school, Nando, Jarod, and Ina are studying in the library. Fun and Nachon arrives later, holding his phone, or relaxed as ever.
How is Harold is good?
Fine. Fine. If you already started studying, did you bring your book?
Relax. I am easy.
Fun. Are you serious? Your action scores were treble last time. If you don't change, you might not pass this year.
You care about you, Fun. Don't keep like this. Life endures. About studying is getting important lesson too.
But if you fall down, you'll be one hopeless Fun.
Your last serious. Just a kid.
His friend exchanged his point glance. The results of their study well Fun continues fine in his phone. A few moments later, the school bell rings. It's like the olden day. They study and quickly head home. Back at home, Fun greets his mother and her two friends, who are chatting over coffee in the living room. After a quick hello, Fun goes straight to his room. Mino sits with Dinja and Oti, sipping coffee and shaking.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, please.
At home, Agung and Mino sit with Fun in the living room.
I'm sorry, Dad. Mom, I didn't eat fish this year.
This is the result of your choice, Fun. Now you have to take responsibility.
I know you can change, but you have to try harder.
I promise, Dad. Mom, actually,
The announcement of the class formation arrives. Nando, Jarod, and Ina pass with God grace. while Fan and Nachon does not. At home, Agung and Nino sit with Fan in the living room.
Nino, I hear from Agung that Fan keep playing games and neglecting his students. Are you worried?
I know, but he is just a kid. I can bear to hurt on him.
But there's no tolerant discipline. If you can define him, I won't no cry from love.
That's right, Nino. Love is important, but it needs to be built with firmness.
I just don't want him to feel pressure.
Let's distract you. You need to start sporting up. If you don't address this, Fan will suffer the consequence later.
Mina looks thoughtful, beginning to realize her creating mistakes.
Action.
The next day at school, Fan is someone to the teacher office by Mrs. Ewing. After wasting a trouble match the test score, she sees calmly looking at the empty socks Fan.
Good afternoon, Fan. Fan, I know you're a smart kid, but why are your brothers napping?
I prefer playing games, Mom. Studying is boring.
If it's about choice, Fan, if you keep rushing to play, your future might be at loss.
I don't know where to start, Mom.
Start with a small step. Without spending time in schedule, you need to take responsibility for yourself.
Fan looks, though still looking unsure. Mrs. Ewing gently pats his shoulder, offering acknowledgement. At home, Agung and Mino sit with Fan in the living room.
I'm sorry, Dad. Mom, I didn't eat fish this year.
This is the result of your choice, Fan. Now you have to take responsibility.
I know you can change, but you have to try harder.
I promise, Dad. Mom, actually,
Excel.
Moral 2, a blind spreading style, competition and performance, is called increasing children. Children must learn that they every choice and has consequence, and the change start from within themselves.
Bye-bye.